Come on, you got it. You got it. You got it.
Now don't stop.
Yeah, I can't stop.
Oh, I'm glad to see that hole run right there.
Come on.
I was worried about the height. Oh, I like the flasher sound. That's cool.
Alright, where am I facing? I'm facing that way.
Does that have the same pump as the 4200?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I think it's a newer, different one. Got it in like July-ish?
From RC 4-wheel drive?
Yes, sir.
I like the size of the motors. They don't. I'm not too crazy about them when they stick inside, real. You know.
Yeah, like on the 4200, where they go like this. No, they did the upgraded one where they
The brushless.
they put the brushless on the inside of the track.
Yep.
Gearing.
Those are nice, man.
I just like how I could turn the pump on and off whenever I need it.
Man, I want that. I'm kind of inspired by the Brutus Park in Brazil. Have you seen that one?
I also like the model bow ones that they have sometimes.
Yeah.
Literally, they have their trauma on. They have a great piece of it.
Yep. This trauma was built with Bruder conversions in mind. So I was thinking about, because I was gonna get that Bruder excavator and everything else, and feed it with that and everything, and this won't fit between the bays underneath. His bucket's too wide.
I knew that was gonna happen sooner or later.
Did it break?
No, it snaps off.
So yeah, we get you a pad, and you can sit right here and feed that. That way you don't have to move.
Oh, it's so much easier now, right?
Do you have a hard time taking tight turns that trailer?
Yes, it's that dolly system on the trailer that makes it.
Because the combination between this being 8x here and that trailer, man, I don't have crappy turning radius. It's all a question on how long this track loader lasts.
Oh man. Have faith then. It's gonna go all day. Today's the day, man. If you haven't seen the live video feed Chris did, that's where I rolled the loader in RC land.
What's that?
I said, if you guys haven't seen the video of the live feed that Chris did, that's where I rolled the loader in RC land.
Oh.
I didn't tell you that for that one.
There we go. Nice.
Uh-oh, Scooby.
Cab's not looking too good.
What?
I said your cab's not. I lost that fender, man. I've looked and looked and looked for a replacement.
Where do you, is it out in RC land you lost it, or?
You know, I remember it falling off, and I remember picking it up and throwing it back in my bag.
Okay.
But I'm wondering if it fell out when I grabbed something. Or if you see a little plastic moon shape looking thing.
I'll keep an eye out for it next time I go out there.
Oh, and I found that reverse, you know how when you go into reverse and it beeps?
Yeah.
It comes with a light kit. I found it on him. Mine did. Oh, okay. That's what mine is then. Comes with the lights. How many pedals is that? So another thing we can do is dig from this side and load the trucks if you want from on the road, and then take that material over there. You know.
I'm amicable or whatever. But I'm a,
Yeah.
I'm amicable to whatever, but I know my load.
I mean, you learn to fly through dead spots where you can't really see anything for a second or two. When you're doing the flying. And those things are designed to fall. There's no return to home, there's return to earth switch, which just kills the motors and you let it fall.
Oh, and that don't mess them up.
Oh, well, yeah, you repair those things after every big outing.
Okay.
That's standard. You know you're gonna crash, you know you're gonna hit things. Replace props at least every other flight.
Okay. Let me get this glass in there.
Now I gotta ask, has anybody tried an actual wash system?
Not in
The wash plant.
Just
YouTube gold.
YouTube
gold, baby. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I love that show.
I know, dude. That's my problem. I started seeing that. It's like, dude, I could start doing this stuff and just chill at home. And that's how I got out of the flying aspect. Because even to go to the local RC field, you know, it's hour prep, half an hour drive, fly.
You gotta deal with all the guys in the field.
You got to deal with all those guys in the field.
I don't have enough throw to get you guys up there. I need you to be about where, about right. But then I don't know if you guys can get up out of there.
I can. Geek Canyon got that Axel's got his lift kit in there. Shit, lift kit's my next thing.
Bye.